Isaac,
What?
you know what to do.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video from Southern Media. Today we're going to be reacting to Chainsaw Man episode 10. So we finally left off with Makima showing off her really crazy power of sacrifice. She would kill someone to kill someone else, which is really crazy. Jordan, any words?
I'm really surprised you remember all that. But yeah, she has a crazy power, kind of like the Death Note. But I'm glad she kind of sacrificed like I guess prisoners who got life sentence and on death row. So
she's not really a bad person.
So far from what we can see, because she looks very, very chilling and very emotionless when doing these killings and stuff. I wonder what sets her over the edge and we see something new. I wonder what her backstory is. That should be interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, still a lot to uncover, but it's really ramping up so far. And I'm glad the plot is catching up with the action. So that's good. I like stuff like that. Alright, let's go.
Okay. Oh yeah, I knew Power was here.
They're best of buds until Power tries to sell them out.
I feel like Aki's gonna be depressed from now on. More depressed than he was before.
誰が生き残ってる？小紅ってチビとメガネの男も生
Let's
き残
grab
ったみた
another
い。
one.
公安やめたんだと。
Dang, so it's only like 4 of them left?
You crying?
I really hope he'll be able to heal from this.
I wonder if he's gonna try to become a fiend. Or
He looks like
The sword, guys.
Yato from Norigami.
he kind of does, like an adult version of him.
Yeah. Man, I love that anime and manga.
We need to
Why
react
would
to
you
that.
take it?
カス、俺はあと何年生きれる？
Damn.
Smoking's gonna get you to 1 year. And then the cancer you get from smoking is gonna take you to 2 months. And then bam, you're gone.
Dang. His tears look so realistic.
That's all you care about? Tears look so realistic.
Damn.
俺は全然泣けねえんだけど。
Because you're cool.
Man, you just met her.
ポチタが死んだ時は悲しかったな。
Dang,
I mean, you're technically a part of him.
Oh. He lost his emotions. Well, some of his
初めて
emotions.
友達になろうって言ってくれた人なのに。
That's interesting.
That's actually pretty weird.
パワーが死んだら泣けるか？マキマさんが死んだら。多分俺はしばらくへこむけど、3日後には楽しく毎日を過ごせてると思うな。だって朝昼晩食って寝て風呂入れりゃ俺最高だもん。
That's so realistic, though. Well, in some cases.
想像だけじゃなく。
I mean, we've been saying realistic since episode 1.
That's not realistic at all.
No, I mean, like, you know how, like, when some people die and you be sad, but after a while you just forget about it and go back to your regular life.
I mean, that is
Not as
true.
easy. There's still grief in it.
My class
仲間が死んだと思った。別に
死んだと思った。
敵に復讐してやる。復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。
わしも。
お前たちは人とはどっちの味方だ。
It depends.
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
Ooh, I kind of like those answers though, because if you think about it, Denji really didn't have any human interactions that much, and I'm sure Power didn't have the same. I don't know why I thought he was gonna grope their butts.
It's like he just broke their back.
最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわけだからお前たちが俺を倒せるようになる
Who else in this show is a double trainer?
Dang, that's smart.
こいつ頭が終わっておる。デンジ。
Oh, I didn't know she could pass it along.
What the heck?
Oh! Oh, I like this guy.
But he's going down like Namor.
Dang.
Oh! No,
Through the head.
Ooh!
Oh, dang. Imagine power sabotages. Never mind.
Damn.
But she should be able to control her blood, though.
Oh.
When you're in pain, I don't think so.
Oh.
What did he say?
Look.
Denji is immortal, and Power is semi-immortal.
Yeah.
俺がお前たちを最高に生かした奴らにして
By killing them? Whoa.
Oh. Yo.
What's happening?
What the heck, yo? I like that they're getting pumped.
あいつは超強いだ。じゃあ、酒で頭がダメになっておる。わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
I like it. None of them has brains, but
That's what I was about to say. But you guys aren't.
頭脳であいつをぶっ殺すか。
hold on.
超インテリ作戦開始じゃ。
Oh, I like that they're thinking though.
Yeah.
頭狙ってきやがった
Oh, I like it.
Okay, that's cool.
Oh,
But he's cooler.
bro, when did Power get this smart?
Ever since everyone died?
You're way too slow, my guy.
Oh!
Dude,
Oh,
in his jaw?
Guac, guac.
ラッキーじゃ。
Sure. Where did she even get that?
Oh.
I didn't even get to foot. Oh!
Pull your chainsaw, man.
Yeah, I'm surprised he didn't release his demon.
Unless he said, well, he never said it, but I guess it's like a agreement that they have to become strong in the regular form first.
この部屋
He's
に
doing the floss walk.
アキトを契約してもらいますイルーンは未来の悪魔公
Mm.
安でこいつと契約している人は2人1人は寿命半分もう1人は両目と味覚嗅覚を差し出しています
Damn.
気に入られれば安く済みますよ
That's not even letters. How do you even know that? Yeah, that would be pretty crazy. It's an eye. That looks hideous. Don't tell me it is.
Damn.
Why'd you have to call it, boy?
Sorry.
Wait.
Yeah, there's nothing, but we'll see.
I am Ray J. Hey, I am his Isaac, and I like to play every
What are you
day.
ruining it for me,
I
John?
don't even
You're
have-
ruining it for me.
You're ruining it. Look at my name.
You're ruining it. I love that view.
Okay. So the episode started out with Aki in in the hospital, and Denji and Power came to visit him, and
We found out that he
I
has
guess
children.
yeah, I guess this death hits him hardest because he really knew Himeno for a long time, and even though they all experienced multiple deaths within the division, this one really drove it home. And for them to wipe, I don't know how many people were in the division to begin with, but for them to be only 4 remaining,
That's crazy.
yeah, that is kind of tough.
Yeah.
That is kind of tough. And
That's tough.
And we found out that Aki has 2 years left to live.
yeah,
Oh yeah,
So
that's sad.
that's
and he's not even getting any communication from Kun.
yeah.
But that's the thing, though. He's gonna form a contract with this new demon.
And it requires
And-
sacrifice.
Because the more powerful the demon, the more it acts from you, unless it likes you. So I'm feeling that this future demon will see something in Aki, and hopefully it doesn't really take much of a toll on him.
Yeah.
And if you really think about it, these characters, for them to go through so much and merge with a demon, even though it requires a lot from you, really says something.
Yeah.
Because there's only 2 people merged with the future demon. One of them gave up half their life, and the other one gave up their sense, taste, smell, and sight.
Yeah.
That's kind of insane. So hopefully we see more background information from a couple of these characters, because it's really interesting.
And I want to learn where the demons came from. Like,
Yeah.
is there like a certain god or some being that just awakened them or just put them in the world?
And also in the training, it's
Pretty intense.
that guy's crazy strong.
And
So
is-
that's the thing, though.
is he human?
He's human. So if his reflexes are like that, that means the shy girl, her reflexes were really like that to begin with, and it probably isn't a demon.
That's what I was saying.
So for them to have trained and get that strong, that's kind of crazy. And he's the strongest devil hunter. So
Supposedly.
supposedly.
So we found out that
Yes, sir.
so we found out that Denji is immortal and
Power is
Power is
semi-immortal.
semi-immortal, so she can pretty much die, but Denji, he pretty much can come back to life anytime as long as he get a supply of blood.
I feel like
I think so.
So I
So
guess
does that mean all demons
I think so.
are immortal?
It seems like it.
Because the Punch got chopped in half, and he kind of,
Like he was about to die.
yeah, that's the thing. It looked like he was about to die, but I don't know if he gave up his life to save Denji. So it's not like he was going to die. He was probably going to heal, but he just chose to merge with Denji to save his life.
yeah. So
That-
I think since like Power and so when like they were at the apartment, hotel, condo, whatever it is, they had like this whole plan to get the trainer. But I feel like they could make a better like when there's something like, for example, when the gun people come back, they could use like the plans they use, but like use their brains to make a plan. Yeah. What? What?
All I heard was plan.
I didn't mean.
Yeah, he started the whole sentence and he switched on to a different topic, then back to a different topic, just to say plan.
Oh, I think you're too funny.
I think you're funny when you're not trying to be funny.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is gonna be like an hour-long video.
I'm really liking this anime.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
I
interesting.
look forward to it. I look forward to it every week.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a while since I've really watched anime like that, so it's good. And I'm sure once this season ends, I'm gonna read the manga.
Yeah,
I don't think I can wait.
I can't wait. I'm gonna read it.
So Yeah, that's it.
Solo Hit Media out.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah.
All right, so take us up now.
Solo Hit Media out. Make sure to like, sub, and comment your favorite anime ever.
Yeah, please like and hold on, boy, I'm talking.